You finish lunch and within 30 minutes you need to sit down. Your eyes are heavy, your concentration drops. You feel like you need a nap just to get through the afternoon. Most people accept this as norm. It is not normal, it is a signal. Here's what is happening when you eat a meal high in refined carbohydrates, white rice, bread, noodles, sugary drinks. Your blood sugar rises rapidly. Your pancreas responds by releasing a large amount of insulin to bring it back down. If your cells are insulin resistant, the pancreas has to release even more insulin to get the same result. That spike of insulin often overshoots. Your blood sugar drops faster than it should, not into the normal range, but towards the lower end, or even below it. Your brain, which runs almost entirely on glucose, suddenly have less fuel available. The result? Fatigue, brain fog, difficulty concentrating, the overwhelming urge to rest. This is called reactive hypoglycaemia. It is not a diabetic emergency. It is a daily pattern that is telling you something important about how your cells are responding to insulin. But here is what makes it more significant. If this is happening to you after most meals, your pancreas is working harder than it should. The insulin overshoot means your body is producing excess insulin to manage what your cells should be handling efficiently. That chronic overproduction is exactly what leads to beta cells exhaustion over time. And beta cells exhaustion is how type 2 diabetes progresses. The post-meal crash is not a coffee problem. It is not a sleep problem. It is an insulin problem. And it is fixable, not with stimulants, but by changing what triggers the spike in the first place. Here is a starting point. Eat your vegetable and protein before the carbs. Eating order alone changes the glucose response. Reduce your white rice or noodle by 1/3. Walk for 10 minutes after your meal. Muscle movement pulls glucose out of the bloodstream without extra insulin. That is the beginning. If you want to understand what your meals are actually doing to your blood sugar and energy, the free training is in the first comment below. Tap the link. I read every comment personally.